Well, Hodges' legacy is he was there. He was the one that largely dominated. He went back and he painted these big paintings, and they are the big works of the time. We're stuck with those in a way. We can't undo that except critically. And the nice thing about writers and painters and things, they can take something that is a legacy and they can revitalise it, seen in a fresh way. There is room now for, contemporary painters, not only Pākehā, but Indigenous people to unravel these things.
We all stand on the shoulders of those who've gone before us. And even if one disagrees strongly with an interpretation, at least it has been made. Of course, they came out of the age of Romanticism, and they were believing in the perfectibility of mankind and the perfectibility of just about everything. But nonetheless, we are victims of our age as much as Hodges and his age were.